Hey, it's here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, it is just a beautiful morning out here in Knoxville. I got my NCAA National Champs hat on, but hey, y'all don't want to hear about how great the Vols are. You want to hear about this badass pit. So let's check her out. Now, this is going on, man, Austin Bard up in Ohio, and Austin's had quite the deal getting on this pit, but he's finally got it. He's on his way here right now. Actually, we're going to cook on it with him today. He's gonna haul ass back home with it tomorrow, but wanted y'all to check it out because it just, I mean, this might be one of our best we've done yet, guys. So this is a 1,000-gallon tank. So we'll open her up here. Counterweighted doors, that's all standard. TMG tell-true thermometer in each door. I think we've got a little food going on in this one. Got a couple pork butts in there. Now this is on our 12,000-pound trailer. All right, now guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, and we sit down and design our trailers around your setup. As we walk around the back, you'll see we do have some white wall tires, paint matched wheels, Baby Moon hubcaps. Did a paint match logo on the firebox there as well. And speaking of firebox, guys, on all of our tank smokers, you get a fully insulated firebox. We insulate the door as well. Got a 30-inch pipe on the inside of this one. Now around back here on the wood storage, we've got a folding stainless steel top here. So that'll fold up, get to your wood, cooler, whatever you need stored back here. Fold it back down. You got a big area to prep off of, serve off of. You got another paint match logo down there as well. Then on this side, this might be my favorite side here. We've got a TMG 48-inch Santa Maria grill, guys. We're gonna be cooking some tomahawk steaks on this bad girl today. And up next, we've got the biggest roll-off we've ever done. Now this is a 60 by 36 roll-off, and it's got a flipping grate in it. So he wanted to be able to do whole hogs, chickens on here. Do one side, flip the grate over, get your other sides. We got flipping grates. Guys, still same construction as all our other direct heat cookers. We've got an insulated bottom, 1/4-inch plate on the bottom, 3/16 everywhere else. So that is our 36 by 60. And right here, we've got another storage compartment with a fold-down ramp. So you've got a warmer you want to roll up here, coolers, just easier to walk up in here and stow stuff. You got that. We got E-track on both sides to help you strap it down. Finish it off with a spare tire up here. Of course, matching white wall tire. So guys, that is Austin Bard's badass 1,000-gallon setup, heading back up to Ohio. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.